Hello students of class 8. So today I will discuss class 8 computer. The topic is introduction to computer networking. Clear? The chapter is almost completed. So today I will discuss questions and answers from your dashboard computer book, page number 19. So first question number 1, A1. First question is, bus topology is also known as dash topology. So bus topology is, first of all, bus topology is also known as dash topology. Bus topology is also known as linear topology. LINEAR, linear topology. Next one, the largest example, second one. So A, B. The largest example of 1 is the blank. The largest example of 1 is internet, Clear? Next, third one. Question number C. Blank means dash is known as the intelligent hub. So dash is known as the intelligent hub. So the answer is switch. SWITCH. Switch is known as the intelligent hub. Next, question number D. Tree topology is a combination of blank and blank. That means dash and dash topologies. So tree topology is a combination of dash and dash topologies. So the answer is bus and star topology. So tree topology is a combination of bus and star topologies. Next, question number E. Dash is connected where the cable wire terminates. Dash is connected where the cable wire terminates. Dash is connected where the cable wire terminates. The answer is RJ. RJ connector. RJ is connected where the cable wire terminates. Next, question number F. So question number F. LAN formed using Wi-Fi or any other wireless medium is known as dash. So LAN formed using Wi-Fi or any other wireless medium is known as WLAN. That means wireless local area network. So if we found LAN formed using Wi-Fi or any other wireless medium is known as WLAN. That means wireless local area network. Next page, question number 2. 1 is completed. Then question number 2. Next page, that means page number 20. Question number 2. State whether true or false. 2a. In a star topology, all nodes are connected to a common cable. In star topology, all nodes are connected to a common cable. Is it true or false? Is it? It is false. So in star topology, all nodes are connected to a common cable. No, it's false. Next one. B. Network within a city in the metropolitan area network. Network within a city is the metropolitan area network. That means metropolitan area network is covered a entire city. We know that very well. So it is true. Next, question number C. Mode of transmission of data by wires is known as guided media. We know that. We know media is basically divided into two types. That means guided media and unguided media. Guided media means wire, with wire, and unguided media means without wire. So the question is, question number C, mode of transmission of data by wires is known as guided media. Is it true or false? It is true. Next, question number D. A server is also known as a workstation. A server is also known as a workstation. Is it true or false? It is false. So a server is also known as workstation. No, a server is not known as workstation. So it is false. Next one, question number E. Railway reservation can be done easily using computer networking. With the help of computer network, we can easily done railway reservation. So question number E is true. So question number A, 2A is false, 2B is true. Next, 2C is also true, 2D is false, and 2E is true. Clear? Okay. So class 8 students, question number 1 and 2 is completed. So in my next class, I will discuss question number 3 and question number 4. Till then, be happy, be good. Thank you.